I absolutely love my nails, girl. Hey y'all, it's Jaila, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back / welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, I did some spooky nails. I had so much fun achieving these spooky season nails, y'all, and I actually used the Amazon Gel X dupe. So it's going for Apres Gel X on a budget, okay? But I know spooky season almost over. It's okay. You can still rock these nails. If you're interested, go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and join all 17,000 of us over here, okay? We lit. Again, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you know anytime I post a new video. All right, y'all. So this was my last set of nails using the same Beetles gel polish. I really liked how it came out, so I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Starting off with my nails already prepped and primed, we are going to go in and size our full nail tips, okay? All of these products will be linked in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. I'm just showing you that I have my nail sizes written out on a sticky note so that I don't have to sit there and size them every single time. We are not wasting time like that. So I just grabbed what I needed, and I'm going to put that box away. And now I'm going to go into this very affordable drill that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to drill the inside of the fake nail tips just so they're rough. It'll help the gel to adhere, and it'll help the nail adhere to my nail. We're trying to do everything to make sure that these nails are not lifting. So this is just something that I've seen people do in tutorials, and I was like, oh, I can do that. That's pretty easy. And again, this drill was like less than $10 at Walmart. So again, check the description box for all of the products that I'm using. I'll also link them in my Amazon shop, literally specifically for this purpose, okay? So that is what the nail looks like after you've drilled in it. I'm going to go in with these alcohol prep pads and wipe down my natural nails so that they're pretty dehydrated. And now we're going into the Beetles nail glue, okay? So this is basically like the Apres Gel X dupe. And I'm going to first paint my natural nail with this nail glue in quotation marks. It's really a gel. But I'm going to paint it on my natural nail first. And then I'm going to go in with the fake nail tip. And I'm going to put the gel inside of the fake nail tip. Again, very similar to what I've seen done in other tutorials where you're doing gel tips. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of load that gel in there. And just making sure it's enough that we don't have any air bubbles, any air pockets when we apply this to our natural nail. We never want any air pockets. That's how you get the green stuff, and I hate the green stuff. Okay, so now you're gonna see me go in and press this fake nail tip down. And I'm gonna do my very, very best to make sure that none of that gel is left oozing out on my nail or on my skin. So after I press it down, I'm going to hold it down with another finger, as you see me doing right here. And then I'm just going to take a brush, and I usually dip the brush in a little bit of alcohol, and I kind of wipe away all of that excess, okay? All of that excess gel that oozed out. We do not want that on our skin, so I'm wiping it away. And then I'm going to flash cure in my UV lamp, moving that gel polish out of the way so I don't flash cure it. But I'm going to flash cure for about 10 seconds. Check my nail again to make sure nothing has oozed out. If it has, I'm going to clean it up. And then I'm going to actually go in and cure for a total of 90 seconds, I believe. Every time I stick my nail in the lamp, I'm curing for 90 seconds. So that is our nail, y'all. And it came out pretty good. So I'm going to show you that process one more time. I'm going in with the gel glue, and I'm going to first paint my natural nail with that glue. And then I'm going to take my fake nail tip, and I'm basically going to load the gel inside of the fake nail tip. You're not going to really be able to see me do this. I'm kind of out of the frame, my bad. But that is what I'm doing. I'm putting a significant amount because I don't want any air bubbles, any air sockets. And now you see me going down, and I'm kind of trying to press down from the cuticle all the way to the apex, making sure that there's no air bubbles or air sockets. I'm going to hold it down with my other finger, and then I'll take a brush and kind of wipe away that excess gel that may have oozed out, and then we are going to cure. Again, I like to flash cure first and then cure. And this is what the process looks like after you've applied all of those nails. So that's kind of like the Apres Gel X dupe part. And now we're going to get into like prepping for our nail design. So first I'm going to buff the nails all the way out, get away all of that shine so that our gel polish adheres nicely. And then you're going to see me go in with this acrylic nail cutter, and I'm going to cut those down because those nails were way too long for me, sis. Okay. And finally, I'm going to go in with my 180-100 nail file, and I'm going to give myself a nice little coffin shape. Okay, we are team coffin over here. If you team coffin, let me know in the comment section below. Actually, just let me know what nail shape you prefer in the comment section below. Okay, rep your nail set. So this is my nails nice and prepped, and now we're going to go in with my base coat. All of my gel polishes are from Beetles. I really just like them. They're affordable and you can get them on Amazon very easily. So I'm going in with a black polish right now and this nail brush that is also from Beetles. Again, I'll link it in my Amazon shop. And I'm kind of doing like a squiggly French. I'll show y'all what it looks like in a little bit more clarity later on, but that's basically what I'm doing to each nail, just kind of freestyling and doing a squiggly French on each of my nails. Okay, so hopefully you'll be able to see that better in the next clip. And by the way, I did do 2 coats of this just to make sure it was nice and opaque. And don't forget to cap off the end of that nail so that your gel polish doesn't chip. So this is what my little squiggly French looks like. As you can see, I didn't go all the way around. It's very much squiggly. And now I'm going to, bootleg it. I'm going in with like a tack, like something that you use to put on a bulletin board. And basically what I did was take a little bit of white polish on the end of a bobby pin. And I made my dot on my nail using that. And now I'm using the tack to basically make a little star. Y'all know, like the morning stars. I'm going for that kind of design on my ring finger. Hopefully I can show you a better picture of it. Like I'm going to pop a picture in so you can see exactly what I'm doing. But I'm literally using the end of that nail tack to make my little points of my star. And it came out really nice. So all you need is a little bobby pin because I don't have a dotting tool. So I use a bobby pin for my dots. And I use a tack for my star. I think it came out really nice. What do y'all think? So that's basically what I'm doing. And now I'm going back in with my Beetles brush. And I'm going in with a white Beetles polish. And I'm basically going to do like the other half of that French. So with the black, I did like one squiggly half. And with the white, I'm going to do the other squiggly half. You'll be able to see this better in the next clip when I do my index finger. But I'm literally just freestyling my squiggles. And these are going to be like my ghost bodies, y'all. So I decided to do a ghost just on my index finger because, like, fun fact, I don't celebrate Halloween. So I've never really been into like the spooky things. But I wanted to give y'all a little spooky glam look. So we did do a ghost design on one finger per hand. But I did not do a ghost design on all of them. But the white is going to be the ghost body. So that is kind of what I'm doing right now. Again, on my index finger. And you'll be able to see that I actually made a ghost on that finger just by adding 3 little dots with my little bobby pin / dotting tool. So you can see that little ghost right there. Okay, last thing I'm going to do is put on my gel top coat. And I'm adding a little rhinestone for a little razzle dazzle. And I'll show you the final look in the next clip. Get into it, y'all. So I know you couldn't really see it in the video quite well, but this is what I did to my ring finger. I went ahead and added that rhinestone with nothing but the top coat to adhere it. I also did multiple stars on my ring finger using the bobby pin and thumbtack method. My favorite little detail is the ghost on my index finger saying boo. I do appreciate all of your feedback on how to make this a better experience for you. I think that next time I'm going to try to do an overhead view. Let me know if you rather an overhead view versus the view that I gave y'all this time. I absolutely love my nails, girl. They came out so cute. I am in love with them, and I hope that y'all enjoyed them as well. If you did, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so that YouTube can share it with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.